I just received my SAR 9 Sport Gen3. So let's do an open box and see what we got. The order paper. These are the extra grips and tools to put the grip on. We got 2 magazines, a 17 and a 19. We have a lock. We have a warranty card. Cool sticker. Nice thank you card. A manual. And of course the gun. And it comes with this handy cool little case too. Hard shell. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't have a handle. But that's a nice name on there. About the size for a couple clips. Like that. So I did get a scope, which is here. I have to stick that on there yet. Like that, and there. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Feels nice in the hand. Looking forward to going out and shooting it. And when I do, I'll post a video of that as well. So yeah, thanks for joining, and look forward to you watching my other videos. Thumb through that. There's a capture of what it all comes with. I did buy an easy loader as well. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, you don't want to use a hammer on it. But I guess you gotta tell some people that. There's some idiots out there. Alright, yeah, well that's the unboxing of the SAR 9 Sport Gen 3. It's pretty nice. Scope ready. I'll be buying one of those. I had to get a barrel with a screw tip. Threaded barrel, I should say, not screw tip. Threaded barrel. Alright, well cool. Thanks for joining me.